I love building RC planes, but for the last 5 or 6 years I've taken a break from this hobby. Now the RC world has advanced so much that I'm basically an advanced beginner. We have big batteries that I never had before. We have electronics that makes a battery smart, whatever that means. And we have electronics that brings telemetry from your plane all the way to your transmitter. Now I have a lot more technology and resources at my fingertips that I never had before. Over the last few months, I have been drawing blueprints for my own plane, all the while learning and understanding the modern way of building RC planes. Today, I'm going to scrap all that progress and take you on my journey from drawing the plane to flying it for the first time. I'm going to be drawing the blueprints of the Robbe Porter. It's an old plane that I have flown in the 80s and have built it many times using different methods. But of course, that was the 80s, and this time around I want to experiment with modern techniques like 3D printing. I also want to make some changes to this plane and add some features to make it my own. So let me show you what I mean by that. I have a few ideas for this classic model. I want to make it electric. I want to cut the wing into 2 pieces. I want to add a bomb bay, and I want to take out the dihedral of the wing. I'm currently in the blueprint phase, drawing up how I want the plane to look so that we can build it together in the coming weeks. Here is how it looks so far. I did not only choose the Robbe Porter out of all the planes because I used to fly it in the past. I chose the Porter because of its book-like appearance, which makes it easier for me to learn Fusion 360, the design software you're looking at right now. This video is the beginning of a building series where I'll be designing, building and ultimately flying this plane. But there is a lot more work that needs to be done. I wanted to get my hands on a modern RC plane early on so that I can get back into the saddle again. So, this is the Hangar9 Carbon Cub. Until the Porter is finished, I will be having fun with this plane. The Hangar9 Carbon Cub, nose to tail 60 inches, wingspan of 90 inches, is capable of landing on water and on land, flying it with gas or electric, has functional flaps, landing lights, and even an instrument panel. The unboxing video of this plane will be released soon. Building the Porter with new techniques will be challenging, but I will be learning a lot, and I hope you will want to come along for the ride. I love to stick around, but I have some designing to do. If you want to see how this model ends up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.